quarterly financial check-in allows you to zoom out and take stock of what's been going on around you. Think of it like walking through your house with a clipboard and checking in on the state of things. Are the light bulbs still working? Is there a leak under the sink? Does the budget need patching? I'm Jane Ayers, and this is Money Changes Everything, the Financial Home Edit, Part 3, Design Your Financial Home for the Future. In this final installment of our cheeky little 3-part series inspired by Marie Kondo's The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, we're going to help you get your shit together before the end of the year. Last week we organized, now we'll make it stick. Key takeaways: automate bills, debt payments, and savings. Do monthly, quarterly, and yearly money check-ins. Talk about money regularly to avoid surprises. Decluttering feels good. Organizing feels productive. But the point of all this isn't just to get your financial house in order once, it's to build a home you can actually live in. One that doesn't collapse the minute you get busy, stressed, or distracted. Or all three if you're a millennial. This is where design comes in. A well-designed home isn't just stylish, it's functional. You know where the forks go. The lighting is beautiful, and the paper towel placement is perfect. The same goes for money. A good financial system makes life easier, because who the hell has time to deal with this shit with everything else going on? Asking for a friend. A good financial system does its thing in the background and frees you up to focus on literally anything else. At a certain point, you may also think about who lives in this financial house with you. At my house, my husband and I hold quarterly finance meetings. Okay, quarterly is aspirational. Sometimes we miss a few and we only manage once or twice a year. But even twice a year makes a massive difference. We pour a drink, pull up the spreadsheets, and talk through the big picture. Are we on track for our savings goals? Are we spending too much in one category? For me, golf. For him, musical instruments. Do we need to adjust contributions or move money around? Those conversations keep us aligned and honest. Without them, it's too easy for small stresses to build into big resentments. We have discussions around money, but we don't have fights about money. That is quite literally by design. We know what's up with each other's finances, so there are no surprises. Regularly monitoring and reevaluating your financial picture is the kind of maintenance work that keeps your financial house standing. Not the once-in-a-decade spring cleaning panic, but the smaller tasks that you repeat on a monthly, quarterly, or yearly cadence. Giving yourself a financial check-in on this kind of schedule will allow you to focus on different aspects of your financial life during different points throughout the year and fine-tune the things that need fixing. It also gives you a moment to step back and take stock of how your financial future is shaping up. Here's what you might hope to achieve during these regular check-in cycles. Monthly. A monthly check-in should be a quick review. Are my bills paid? Am I cash flow positive? At the end of the month, block off 10 minutes to review your spending and accounts. Based on what you see, make some small adjustments to simplify your finances, such as automating payments to your credit cards or increasing your retirement contributions. If you automate the important stuff, you don't need to micromanage every last detail. Quarterly. A quarterly check-in allows you to zoom out and take stock of what's been going on around you. Think of it like walking through your house with a clipboard and checking off the state of things. Are the light bulbs still working? Is there a leak under the sink? Does the budget need patching? Imagine a handyman is coming over and you get 4 hours of work for $400. What's on the list you're giving him? Except in this case, the handyman is you, or maybe your financial advisor. Yearly. You should be doing a deep clean annually. This is a moment to look at the finer details that you don't check in on regularly. Your insurance policies or your estate plan if you have one. And since this is a deep clean, this is also the time to call in the professionals for help. Check in with your CPA, your financial planner, your attorney. Your yearly check-in will help you clean up those last details that you've been neglecting all along, but need to get straightened out before the end of the year. And don't forget to check up on the smaller systems that keep the whole place running. Set calendar reminders for one-off but important tasks. In March, check your credit report. In June, run a mid-year budget review. In October, estimate your taxes before the end of the year. These little touch points keep you from being blindsided. Just like a well-designed home, a well-designed financial life has a solid foundation. Of course, sometimes you have guests and get busy, and your house gets really messy and hard to live in. That's okay. Next weekend, you're going to do a deep clean. That's the idea here. Don't stop at tidying. Don't stop at organizing. Design a system that you can live with month after month, quarter after quarter, year after year. Here's your annual financial checklist. Every good home should have a cleaning schedule. Your financial house is no different. Here's a simple rhythm to keep things in shape without turning money into a second job. Monthly. Automate transfers to savings and retirement accounts and any debt payments. Glance over your spending for the month. Make sure there are no weird charges or habits creeping in. Pay off credit cards in full, if you can, to avoid any interest payments. Quarterly. Hold a money meeting with your partner or yourself. Review savings goals, investments, and spending. Rebalance investments if any one area has drifted from your target. Adjust contributions to savings and retirement if your income has changed. Run a quick business review if you're self-employed. Look at your profit, expenses, and tax bill. Yearly. Review annual insurance policies, life, health, disability, property, and make sure they're up to date. Update beneficiaries on retirement accounts and insurance policies. Ask your accountant, if you have one, to run a tax projection to avoid any April surprises. Review estate documents so you have them, or make a will if you don't have one already. Max out retirement contributions before December 31st if possible. Make charitable contributions before the end of the year, ideally with appreciated assets. Check your credit report for free at annualcreditreport.com. Schedule a professional check-in with your CPA, financial planner, or attorney if you need it. That's it. 12 check-ins, 4 deeper reviews, 1 annual overhaul. Do this rhythmically and you'll be in much better shape than you were a year ago. And if you miss a few, that's okay too. You could always catch up with a quick tidy. And here's my parting shot. With the right experts and systems, your financial house becomes stylish, functional, and future-proof.